Hello everyone, let's make the best and easiest peanut butter chocolate cookies ever. First, let's make the peanut butter filling. In a medium bowl, mix the peanut butter and powdered sugar together until smooth. Then, drop about 14-15 teaspoons of peanut butter and put it in freezer for 30 minutes. Add the flour, salt, baking soda, and cocoa powder to a bowl and whisk them together. In separate bowl, melt the butter and chocolate in microwave. Then mix in the sugar, vanilla sugar, and 1 egg until smooth. Gradually add dry ingredients to it and mix just until your cookie dough forms. Put the dough in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now let's shape our cookies. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of the cookie dough. Make a crater in the center of the dough with your thumb and add a peanut butter ball to the center. Shape the cookie dough over the peanut butter filling, covering it completely and roll into a ball. Continue until all of the cookies are shaped. Decorate cookies as you wish. I decorated with white and dark chocolate chips. Bake cookies at 180 degrees for 9 to 12 minutes. Allow cookies to cool completely on cookie sheet. This chocolate peanut butter stuffed cookies are incredible. They are rich, soft, chewy, thick, chocolatey with a delicious peanut butter filling. Enjoy them with a cup of tea.